and welcome to the channel. Hopefully you've already gotten a chance to watch my unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPad mini 6, and if you didn't, I'll leave those down linked below. But essentially the purpose of this video is to unbox some accessories for those products. So Apple usually launches these different color lines, these other products, whenever there's a new season. So here we are in the fall season, so there are some new colors to go along with some new accessories. And typically I don't always pick up a color for every season, but since I did pick up new products, they do require new accessories. So let's start off with the iPhone 13 Pro and the case that I went with. So I did go with the leather case this year in the new Golden Brown. And I think that's the one that most symbolizes an orange hue, so that's the one that I went with. And typically I really don't like a case, but I do like to have one just in case, no pun intended there. But just in case I do need to do something where, like if I'm going on a hike, I probably will put a case on it because it could fall out of your pocket. But typically, again, I don't use a case. But since this 13 Pro is a lot smaller than the 13 Pro Max, it actually feels quite small when I do have it in my pocket. So hopefully, maybe this year I will use a case the entire year, the longevity of the year. But let's go ahead and open up that Golden Brown leather case for the iPhone 13 Pro. And I'm not seeing a little pull tab, so let's just pull up. Oh yeah, you just pull up. No pull tab. You just swipe up, swipe up. All right. So as you can see, super cute. Okay. To me, it does kind of look more orange than some of the other accessories that they call orange. And just like all MagSafe products, as you attach it, there should be a little glow. Let's see what color it glows. It glowed orange, so we're gonna call it orange. So cute. And with that new Sierra blue along the back, it looks good. Feels amazing actually in the hands. I do miss that large screen. I still have my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and when I'm holding it, I'm like, oh, I kind of miss this. But this does feel really, really nice in the hands. Yeah, cool. So that takes care of one. There's a lot of literature for nothing. There's nothing in here. And let's move on to the MagSafe wallet. So I did not have one last year, so I'm very excited to try it. They did integrate Find My. So if you do detach your wallet from your iPhone will know the last place it was detached. And another really cool feature this year is that you're also able to include your phone number to your MagSafe wallet. So if someone finds it and they attach it to their iPhone, you could leave a callback number, so they'll call you back from the number or text you. Typically people don't call anyone. You'll receive a text from whoever found it, from that kind Samaritan. And pull tab? Yes, pull tab, pull tab. I wonder if I got a knockoff for the phone, though there was no pull tab. But we got a pull tab there, and it was pulls, and it will get lifted. Again, never had one. I'm so excited. I hope they're all the rage. More literature you have designed by California and Apple. You think they'd have like a secret QR code where you could just scan it and they could save some paper, since they like to save everything. A little fake me card. Again, my first time having it, so I'm so excited. It feels really durable. And plop it on there. Okay, so it does wiggle. It does wiggle. I've read about this wiggle, but it's so cute. Tell me that's not cute. Tell me. Tell me. Oh, and then right away, Find My wallet pops up, but I will do that later. This is a quick little unboxing. But let's do the iPad mini Folio. So this one comes in the white. So I've actually been very pleased with this new Starlight color. It does look very silver. It does have a little hue of gold. And oh my God, it feels so good in the hands. But again, I'm not gonna derail the video. We're here to unbox accessories. So Smart Folio. No pull tab here, no pull tab here. All right, and it's a nice crisp white. Nothing in the box. Filler space with no literature. Wow. Am I seeing that right? No, nothing in there, nothing in there. And so cute. Plug, play. Nice, and it really does feel like a little phablet type style iPad case. It feels really nice in the hands. It has that nice silicone touch, and there's no keyboard to this, but there's multiple adjustment angles for your iPad. And yeah, so cool. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try this. Actually, I've been using the iPad mini for a little bit, but I've been saving the unboxing for this. So this really does give it the full experience. And definitely if you want to use it to take notes with Scribble or things like that, tell me this is not, oh my God. Oh, so exciting. It's like Christmas. Apple, why do you do this to me, Apple? All right, and so lastly, we have an Apple Watch band. So this is the leather loop. So it should attach magnetically, and although the Apple Watch Series 7 is not out, that is one that I'm not upgrading to. Series 6 right here all day, love it, all good. And I really do appreciate it. And I'm actually very surprised that Apple has continued to use the same watch bands across seven generations of Apple Watches. That is unheard of for anything. They switch it up for a second. Even Magic Keyboards for iPads, which I think is just crazy considering their price. But this dude here did have a pull tab. I'm gonna pull her apart. I have so many watch bands. Comment down below if you do want to see a video with all my watch bands. I have no idea what would happen once they do decide to switch design and it does not work. Cool. Ooh, it does magnetically sort of connect there. Magic. There's no secret little app clip on this. So the attachment experience should be pretty straightforward. Just detach and attach. But usually a lot of the time there's, I wouldn't say a right way to insert it, but there's sort of a right way to insert it, but there doesn't appear to be one on here. You just attach. I'm gonna be so matching. Oh my god. All right, and that's it. Okay. I really hope this stays on during strenuous acts. But okay, yeah, wrist, waving, it stays, matches. Oh my god, how do I not match? Look at that. Oh, I love the match. I love the feel of all of these products. Not to mention that iPad mini little folio case with the matching white Apple Pencil. This looks so good. I am all set for the fall. And thank you so much for watching this video. It is a super quick one, but if you missed any of the other videos that I've dropped recently, let me tell you, it's been a lot of work. So please consider subscribing to the channel. If you did just stumble across this one, consider hitting a like. Again, hours go into these videos. Support your creators, especially the small ones who don't have a team behind them helping them whatsoever. And drop a comment down below. Do you like this color? Is there a different color that you prefer? Let me know down in the comment section. And until next time, guys, I'll see ya.